अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन एंड वेलकम बैक टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ केपीज़ व्लॉग। मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब बिल्कुल ठीक होंगे, मज़े में होंगे। So, ladies and gentlemen, we've had so many people come on KP's vlog and they're from so many different backgrounds. हमारे पास vloggers भी आ चुके हैं, bloggers भी आ चुके हैं. We've had social media influencers, we've had fashion designers, we've had entrepreneurs, and there's so much that we all got to learn from them and so much that you all got to learn from them as well. इसी तरह आज का एपिसोड भी बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे साथ एक सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर हैं जो कि हमें ज्वाइन कर रही हैं और एक फीमेल entrepreneur. So again, we're going to get to learn about the world of entrepreneurship and how it has been improving and increasing, especially women who are coming in towards entrepreneurship and they're starting their own businesses, और किस तरह social media को utilize किया जा रहा है to grow and to build your PR and to grow your business. तो ख़ातिन हज़रात, हम चलते हैं हमारे गेस्ट की तरफ और उनसे बहुत कुछ जानते हैं, उनकी जर्नी के बारे में जानते हैं। तो चलिए ख़ातिन हज़रात, आज हमारे साथ बहुत ही टैलेंटेड और बहुत ही खूबसूरत लेडीज़ मौजूद हैं। तो चलिए उनकी तरफ चलते हैं। हमारे साथ सबसे पहले तो रुमेला रहमान जो कि एक MBBS स्टूडेंट भी है करंटली एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो अ फैशन एंड अ लाइफस्टाइल इन्फ्लुएंसर। इनसे मुलाकात हुई थी एक शूट पे कुछ महीने पहले और आई वाज अमेज्ड टू सी दैट वी हैव सच टैलेंटेड यूथ हियर इन पेशावर एज वेल, स्पेशली गर्ल्स हु आर वर्किंग ऑन सच अमेजिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स। तो इनसे बातचीत करने से पहले इनके ऊपर एक छोटा सा पैकेज देख लेते हैं इनके काम पे। आते हैं हम तो रुमेला की तरफ हम आते हैं और रुमेला, आई गेस यू स्टार्टेड blogging it's been like a year. I guess it's just been less than a year. And it's so amazing to see that you grew up so much in such a short span of time. The projects that you were doing, the kind of content that you've been creating, it seems like you've been blogging for ages now. So it's so good to see. But what's your journey? How did you start? Where did you get that motivation?
So my journey started when COVID hit. And when COVID hit, I was just at home doing nothing, and everybody, all of us, we were just in a weird situation and we had nothing to do. And I am the kind of a person who is always very constructive and I don't like to waste time at all. So I was like, why don't I do something creative? And I put my paintings out there, my writings out there, my work out there, my cooking skills, and then I'm into fashion. And I was like, why don't I just put it out there and maybe one person out of 100 would get inspired and look at my work and maybe, you know, do something creative that way. So that's my journey. That's how I started blogging.
That's lovely, especially that you started off during the times of Corona. I think that was a time where a lot of people were on a break because they're like, इतने projects नहीं हैं, हम काम क्या करें, घरों में बंद हैं. But then I think you made the effort to do something and to make, utilize that time. I think that's wonderful. And you've mentioned so much already that you can paint, you can cook, you're a makeup artist too. You're so good with everything. So we're going to talk about all that. But before that, हम चलते हैं सिद्रा की तरफ। और सिद्रा, आपसे सबसे पहले तो मैं जो आपने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया था पख्तून टेक का, इसके हवाले से पूछना चाहूँगी कि है क्या, इसका बैकग्राउंड बताएं थोड़ा बहुत।
Alright, Pashtoon Tech, when we started with Pashtoon Tech, the main idea was behind Pashtoon Tech is that we have like these Pashtuns, they came like a lot of people are trying to offer trainings in different departments like IT departments, and the world is changing. It's like artificial intelligence now, and everybody who gets the training of 20 days or probably it could be like 6 months, at the end of the day they are not the technicians of anything. So we wanted to start something where we create technicians. Either it could be women in STEM or either it could be like men out there in FATA working. Like when they get the whole training program, going through the training programs, at the end of the training program they should be equipped with to be called like as in technicians or to create something by themselves, So we wanted them to be equipped in their in the type of machines that are available in Pakistan. And especially we wanted to focus on the women of FATA and the men at FATA. So yeah, that's Pashtoon Tech.
Oh wow, that's amazing. तो अभी तक आप लोगों ने कितने लोगों को ट्रेन किया हुआ है?
Okay, so we just started this company. We are currently under MOUs with Pak Austria University and universities like that.
कितना अर्सा हुआ start किए हुए?
It's been like we started COVID as well, and yeah, we wanted to create technicians because a lot of people were out of jobs, and people were like, we have the skills, but there's no industry.
So what is the response that you got on
so
such an
far
initiative.
everybody is so thrilled about it. People are like, yeah, this is what we needed. People, especially like BSc engineers and engineers, software engineers,
Right.
they were taught a lot of things, but they
Exactly.
didn't know how to implement it and how to create something like probably it could be a small machine or something like small coding. They couldn't do it. So we are trying to get them to that level where they can
And
code.
why do you think they can't do it? मतलब ये क्या या तो हमारी एजुकेशन सिस्टम को हमें ब्लेम करना चाहिए या मतलब क्यों है कि ऐसे स्किल्स ये लोग लैक कर रहे हैं?
Well, the main purpose, like the main purpose of education is to educate you, right? The university is doing that, but we need industries in the province or in the country. So we don't have the right industries. Even if someone is offering a scholar, like it could be internship or scholarship. Even people are offering that. No one is training. Like even if you're an engineer or a software engineer. They would give you the documentation stuff and they'll make you learn bookish stuff, but where's the practical
ठीक है,
work?
practical काम,
Yeah.
बिल्कुल।
तो वो लैकिंग चल रही है हमारे पास यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में, आउटसाइड जो इंडस्ट्री जो ट्रेनिंग्स प्रोवाइड कर रही है। अगर आपको मशीन में सिखा रहे हैं तो आपको इस तरह सिखा रहे हैं कि आपको एक पार्ट सिखा रहे हैं
और
मशीन का।
प्रैक्टिकल काम बहुत डिफरेंट होता है आपकी बुक से थ्योरी से।
Exactly.
और ये चीज़ रियलाइज करना हमारी यूथ के लिए भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज
Yeah.
व्हेन यू गो इन द इंडस्ट्री एंड व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग दैट्स व्हेन यू रियलाइज दैट
Yeah.
इट्स सो डिफरेंट देन व्हाट यू हैड स्टडीड।
And people are clueless after they get their BSc done, or they're literally engineers with the certified engineers, but they cannot, let's talk about electrical engineers. If you ask them that, can you talk about or make a generator or anything like that, they're like, no, I'm not trained for this. I learned it how it works.
So Sidhar, why electrical engineering?
Well, for me, I've always been, me and Romella were discussing the same thing, that why did you choose engineering? And engineering for me, I'm always the type of person who wants to see concrete things, implementable things. I don't want to go
It
in
was just the
something.
bookish things, just the
Yeah.
वो तो हवाई बातें नहीं, कुछ करना है।
And
ठीक है।
I'm that entrepreneur sort of
Yeah,
person.
okay, so you-
I want to create things, and
Oh wow.
yeah. So with the idea behind Pakhtun Tech is that we wanted to be. Initially, we knew how to create things, so we wanted this skill to pass on, and if I'm making something, I'll make money out of it. But like people in FATA and people in rural areas,
Wow, I
remote
think
areas.
that's so thoughtful of you, and I think you have a partner on board
Yeah,
with you as
yeah.
well. तो आप लोगों ने वो टीम बनाना start कर दी है?
So I'm the only electrical engineer here, and all of them are IT people. And we just, I'm actually the PR person as well for the company, because right now we can't afford a lot of people to pay. So at the moment we have created this company of 4 people. And Alhamdulillah, it's been, the response from the government is really overwhelming, and like even we are excited to create something for the youth. So
That's
yeah.
lovely, and it's so good to hear about Pakhtun Tech and the work that you and your team member are doing. तो हम इसकी तरफ और हम और भी जो आपका अपना beauty salon है, and you're also a lecturer, and there's so much more to you, Sidras. We'll come to that. लेकिन अब Romella की तरफ आते हैं. तो Romella, when you started off as an influencer, what was the response you got?
The response I got was amazing, because I am the kind of person who is a little insecure about my work, and I always thought that, okay, what if I start blogging, but what if nobody watches me,
Okay.
What's gonna happen then?
Okay.
And then I'll be discouraged, and then I wouldn't want to do it again,
Exactly.
right? So, but then I saw people actually liking my work, and they were, commenting, and they were telling me, oh, this is amazing, and apart from all of this, I'm a doctor, so
Yes, exactly.
I actually started this platform for the future, because I always have this thought process that the world is changing into like a social media world, right?
Exactly.
And you have to connect with people through social media, right?
so true.
And I think that in the future, for example, if I do a research or if I do anything big, I want to be able to share it with the people that would care about my work. So I'm building a platform gradually and slowly for the future, so that when I become, something big, a
you have a
scientist
voice.
maybe, yeah, I have a voice, I can get my word across to,
That's
a
a
lot of
beautiful
people.
part. That's so
yeah.
important.
So if I do something, if I want to create like any sort of a business or anything, I can just share it with the world, and they can, participate, right?
That is so
And
true.
other than that, if, for example, I do a research and I, for example, hopefully, inshallah, if I become a scientist, I discover something new, invent something new, I should be able to show to the world that, okay, this is what I, created,
exactly.
and you should take a look. And I'm from Pakistan, and people from Peshawar, and people, I belong from FATA, so people from FATA can come and do something,
Do
right?
something,
So that's my
exactly.
thought process behind my blog. It's not just
So
fashion
you're showing
and
like
beauty.
the good side of
Yeah,
our city,
exactly,
of Fata, and
yeah.
you're showing it to the world actually. That
Yeah,
you know,
and you know, someday maybe it grows big enough, and then people from like international people would notice that okay, people in Pakistan are not the way they're broadcasted in social media. They're
Exactly.
actually different, and they're
They're so
actually
different.
capable.
तो रुमेला, जो मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स हैं उनके बारे में यूजुअली यही एक स्टीरियोटाइप बना हुआ है या सोचा जाता है कि वो लोग तो सिर्फ बुक्स और पढ़ाई की तरफ होते हैं. They don't get to do a lot of extracurriculars or focus on other things. But seeing you that you're managing everything else so well, what do you have to say about that?
Well, you see, it's all about time management. So I understand the perspective behind medical students being all books and nerds and everything, and I am that kind of a person too. But when the right time comes, I am all books, all nerdy, and all, you know, towards the side in a room locked up, and I give my time to my studies. But when I do have, when I can adjust other things in my life, why not? I would take time out. It's all about priorities. If your priority at a certain amount of time is studying, go for it. Just focus on your studies, and then at other times when you have, you know, 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour at hand, why not invest in something else that you like, that you enjoy? So for me, I think I'm trying to keep a balance here, and for
such a
1.5
good point.
months, for example, I just completely did not upload anything on my social medias because I wanted to concentrate on my studies, and that's exactly what I did. And I'm done with my exams now, and I'm very happy about
Yeah,
it
it's a
because they
relief
went,
now, right?
yeah, they went well, and now I can concentrate on my blogging again. So it's, you have to balance life
Yes,
out.
you need to prioritize
Yeah,
according to the time.
Yeah.
That's lovely.
So that's what I'm doing, and that's how it is. That's the stigma I want to change. That we're not all nerdy, we're not all books.
Yeah.
We can do other things.
Other things.
Yeah.
Oh, that's lovely. And if I'm not wrong, you mentioned a food venture that you started.
Yeah. So I started a food venture back when I was in third year, so I guess 2 years ago, and it was by the name Che Dode.
Okay.
And it was based on.
Those who do not know Pashto, would you like to
Yeah,
explain
Che
what
Dode. I
Yeah.
came out with this, me and my friend actually, we came out with this name. Che means chai.
Yes, yes,
Dode
yes.
means rotai. Rotai means
Yeah,
khana. तो
Okay.
ये जो नाम है हमने combine किया इसको कि हम चाय भी serve करते हैं, मतलब चाय eatables with that you take with tea, samosa and all of
अच्छा,
those kinds of things like bakery stuff, right? And we also provide roti, and we also provide chawal, and you know, that kind of stuff. So yeah, so I started this home-based business again because I wanted to do something constructive with my time, and the response I got for that was crazy.
Really?
Because you know, there are very less places that provide wholesome and food that
and
is homemade.
handmade. Yes,
yeah,
homemade.
and clean
Exactly.
and hygienic, and there's very less. You go to a restaurant, you don't know what goes
You
on in
don't
their
know,
kitchen,
yeah.
but everybody knows that if a girl is cooking at home in her own kitchen, she's using her own, you know, oil that she
Yeah,
uses
yeah.
for her home, and she's using
And she's
everything.
probably even using organic. food.
Exactly.
Everything's
Yeah.
organic,
So people, the health conscious people reached out to me, and they would, you know, ask for dinners and like lunch for their kids, and like, you know, frozen food for Ramzan, and I got a lot of good response, and I was so proud of it. But just like prioritizing we talked about, I had to prioritize my studies at that point of time because my exams were around the corner, and I had to completely shut down. But I'm still proud of it. It's still my baby, and maybe someday I can
You
come
can
around.
continue. Wonderful. And at least that was an experience for you.
Yeah, it was. I learned so many good things.
Exactly.
I learned about
you
baking.
learned how to run
and
a home-based business.
yeah, and I learned a lot of cooking. It's a skill. Cooking is a skill. Now I can, if I wanna, if someday I have no job, I can go to a restaurant and be like, hey, I know I have cooking experience. Can you hire me? And maybe they would. And you know, I will have some skill at hand. So I'm very proud of it, and I think people should try stuff like that and learn a new skill, even if it's painting or drawing
could be
or
anything.
anything,
Exactly.
because everything has potential if you're good at it.
And what about makeup? How did you learn that?
I'm still learning. I'm
Still
just,
learning.
it's just another skill that I want to get good at, and I want to learn. I'm not the best at it. I'm just practicing on
No, I
myself.
think you're doing so well. I saw
Aw,
some of your
thank
videos,
you.
your makeup videos, and they're so good.
Yeah, so it's just another skill that I'm learning, and you know, who knows, in the future, if I need to, I can, you know, do makeup on other people.
I think
Why
makeup
not?
is like more like a long-term process क्योंकि
Yeah.
जो trends change होते जा रहे हैं makeup के, fashion के साथ-साथ, तो ये चीज़ कभी इस तरह होती नहीं है that it stops. The learning
Yeah.
never stops.
The learning
'Cause
for
with the
anything
trends-
never
exactly,
stops,
for
yeah.
anything never stops. So, अगेन मेकअप की जहाँ बात हो ही रही है तो सिद्रा आप कैसे इस फील्ड की तरफ आई और आपने ये ब्यूटी सैलून खोलने का कैसे सोचा?
Alright, so I've been always an artsy person, and I was like always into art, and I was at the same time I was a technical person. So I used to paint, I used to do makeups. I was a blogger, beauty blogger. At the same time, I was doing my
wow.
engineering, and with that beauty blog, I used to make
So you
YouTube.
don't blog anymore?
I do, but like now I'm concentrating on this
On-
real
okay.
business. Yeah, so
Right.
I used to create YouTube videos for the
wow.
makeup tutorials. Yeah, and
So you've been a YouTuber as well.
yeah.
बातों बातों में देखो क्या कुछ निकल रहा है.
Yeah. So then I wanted to focus on something initially, because everybody has to pursue their career. You know, you need to choose what you want to be in a long term. You know.
Exactly, prioritizing.
Yeah, and
जी.
for us usually ये degrees decide करती हैं हम क्या पढ़ें, क्या आगे बने, and parents ने इतना invest किया होता है आपकी degrees में that they want you to utilize it, you know. So I didn't
Exactly.
want it to discourage them or like you know, but at the same time it went well for me, it worked well for me. I was जब मुझे मेरे career की समझ आई that now it's not affecting my other hobbies, so I came up with the salon business, and alhamdulillah it's been like, I started it in Corona actually, and it's been like 10 months only, and it is growing so well, and I'm getting like such good response from the people. And
Did you have this passion for skincare and for beauty products? ये
Yeah,
क्या है, बचपन से था ये किस तरह?
well, I was more of someone who wants to play with colors and create something,
Nice.
rather than like concentrating on beauty,
So did you take
skincare.
any certifications या आपने खुद ही सीखा है?
Well, when I was a blogger, I learned it then that you need to have some certification so you can defend yourself. That, okay, I'm
ठीक है,
doing
हाँ,
this
हाँ,
thing and it
सही
is
है।
certified.
जी, जी।
So I learned from Musarrat Misbah initially,
Nice,
and it was like, I was like, okay, this is it. But then as you talked about, the trends were changing, और जैसे नए looks create हो रहे थे, and then you want to be good at your skill. And हर किसी को टीचर की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. I wanted to have a teacher who tells me कि भाई आपकी ये गलती है, because when you're alone you can never guess that what I'm you know, what I'm doing wrong and how it could be fixed. So and I still do diplomas, and I still get admissions in like new courses to learn new trends. But like now with as I told you, I was good with playing colors, तो मुझे ये कलरफुल दुनिया बहुत अच्छी लग रही थी. So then अभी स्किन केयर से ज़्यादा I'm into like hair dyes and creating
Oh, wow.
different looks, hair transformations, and it is like such a good journey. It's like a hobby. I don't give like I'm like
It's more like a passion that you're following, right?
Yeah.
ठीक
But
है,
like
तो
full time job मेरी पुख्तून
मतलब
tech है.
ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं करनी होती इस साइड पे.
No.
और यहाँ तो लोग ऐसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा शौकीन है सैलून्स वगैरह जाने
Yeah.
के. And it's so good कि people are realizing that self care is so important.
Yeah.
Self love and self care is very very important. But then जैसे कि आपने कोरोना के दौरान स्टार्ट किया, तो उस टाइम पे तो लोग घरों से भी निकलना, you know, they were scared. तो
Yeah.
फिर मतलब कस्टमर्स आपके कैसे बने या क्लाइंट्स ने आना कैसे
Yeah.
स्टार्ट किया?
Well, any business, जब भी हम कोई business शुरू करते हैं, तो rather than showing your skill, it's the biggest hurdle is, I think, is this management thing.
जी,
You know, आप हर चीज़ में अच्छे हो सकते हो, but you can't be a good manager. So you need time for
I
that
think that's
to
the
be
hardest
trained.
thing.
Yeah. So Corona में मैंने वो फ़ायदा उठाया that I tried to, you know, take that time to manage, you know. तो मैंने अपने सैलून की जो इंटीरियर या जो थोड़े बहुत लोग आते थे, they were looking at things, and I was like मैं उनका रिस्पांस देख रही थी कि how they respond towards thing, कि यार यहाँ पे ये चीज़ होती तो एम्बियंस थोड़ा अच्छा क्रिएट होता, और introduce this thing.
Turmela, you yourself, mashallah, you have such a clear, shiny
Thank
skin.
you.
So, what is your skincare routine? What do
My
you do?
skincare routine, well, I have a very elaborate skincare routine. So what I do is, should I tell you all of it?
Everything.
All the secrets. secrets.
Yeah,
So-
I have noted down.
Oh, okay. So what I do is that I have discovered my skin, because skin is very personal. You know, what you do might not be good for me. What she does might not be good for me. So skin is very personal, and with time you will realize that. Trying different products on your face and doing all of that, you will realize what suits you. So what suits me is that one-time skincare routine in a day. And it starts with you know, an oil cleanser, and so oil dissolves oil. So throughout the day, whatever grease you accumulate on your face at night, you have to cleanse it off with oil cleanser, and then you follow it off with a foaming cleanser, any, you know, the usual cleansers that you use. And after that you tone, and toners are basically, they balance out the pH of your face. Your face has a specific pH, if I'm not wrong it's 5.4, but I'm not sure, don't quote me on that. But you have to balance that pH, because if you don't, then it throws off the you know, alkalinity or acidity, and you get pimples and you get skin problems, right? So you have to balance that out with a toner, and that's what I use. And then after that comes serums. So serums are a compact form of all the good stuff, basically. So if you need retinol or hyaluronic acid or anything, all the good stuff, you need it to penetrate deeper into your skin, and serum does that. Serum penetrates better into your skin. So what you do is that you apply a serum, whatever suits you. There are vitamin C serums, hyaluronic acid serums, retinol serums, and so many others that are so beneficial for your face. So you apply that, and then you follow it up you know, by creams, an eye cream, a lip balm, and then you put a thick moisturizer and you go to sleep.
Oh
So,
wow,
yeah.
that you explained it so well. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I mean, that was really helpful for me as well, because I have been so lazy with my skincare routine lately. और मेरी अम्मी मुझे बहुत कहती रहती हैं कि you know, she gets it that I'm working and I have a really
Yeah.
hectic routine, but then alongside she's like, you know, you know, taking care of yourself is so important, and she's like, you know, my biggest motivation, because she's the one who reminds me constantly every single day.
And also I would like to add that a lot of people don't put on a sunscreen, and
yes.
sunscreen is so important, not just from your like skincare perspective, but you know, we are exposed to the sun so much, and it causes skin cancer. Because you know, the sun has UVA rays, UVB rays. B causes burning, UVA rays causes aging. So you know, it can in the long run cause a lot of skin issues. So it's very necessary for people to put on a sunscreen.
It's so
and
important.
yeah, it's
Would you
really
like to
important.
recommend any specific sunscreen? Or?
I would like to recommend, there's this brand called La Roche-Posay, and I'm currently using it, and it's really good. But locally, you can use any sunscreen that is dermatologically tested, and you know, don't just go for any over-the-counter जो पड़े होते हैं racks में ना, वो उठा,
ठीक है.
मतलब because they don't have that effect, right? So you should always go to the pharmacy. From the pharmacy side, you should get a sunblock.
That's such an important point. Thank you for
Yeah.
this tip. So, you know that we have a lot of bloggers that are coming up.
Yeah.
आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा ये जो हमारी influencer community है grow करी on a daily basis, because
Yeah.
every other person wants to become a blogger.
Yeah.
तो मतलब हर दूसरे दिन मुझे खुद इतने लोग कांटेक्ट करते हैं कि हमने स्टार्ट करना है, किस तरह स्टार्ट करें, क्या करें, किस तरह ग्रो कराएं. तो since your account and your blog it grew in such a short span of time, like I mentioned earlier, तो आप क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे? आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या वो कुछ पॉइंट्स हैं as an influencer that you need to keep in mind?
Yeah.
You know.
What I would like to say is that your content should be original, you know, like try to not copy and try to just stick to what you like,
Exactly.
and stick to the things that you enjoy the most, and then just show the world about it. Be yourself. Don't just, you know, walk in other people's steps. Have your own style of blogging, and people will follow, and be nice. That's the only thing that matters, because you know, don't become arrogant and mean to people just because you have, you know, followers or anything like that, because at the end of the day everybody needs support, and in nowadays everything is so, you know, messed up. We all need to be nice.
Exactly. We need to be nice.
Yeah, we just need to be nice and show support for each other, and that's how you can grow. And that's
a beautiful
yeah.
message. Thank you. And with that, I just remembered कि आपने अपने Instagram पे recently एक ये trend start हुआ था. Another blogger started it. I think Zara Azam started it, where you guys were selling your pre-loved clothes.
Yeah.
And I think मतलब ये बहुत ही अच्छा concept था, जिसमें क्योंकि you know, as fashion influencers, we have a lot of clothes.
Yeah,
Let's be honest.
so many.
बहुत सारे. और जो कि एक या दो बार के बाद पहने ही नहीं जाते.
Yeah.
तो फिर इन्होंने ये स्टार्ट किया कि लोग अपने Instagram की स्टोरीज पे अपने जो यूज्ड कपड़े या फ्री लफ्ट कपड़े जो ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं होते, हार्डली एक दो बार इस्तेमाल किए होते हैं, इन वेरी गुड कंडीशन, उन्हें ये लोग सेल कर रहे थे. At a very reasonable price, and I really like that concept. मुझे time नहीं मिला, but I wanted to do the same. I just didn't get the time. I wanted to, look into my wardrobe. I will for sure. I'll definitely do that. So I think that's what social media is all about, where you get to support each other. One blogger started it, the other continued, and then it's a process now. Everyone's doing it.
Yeah.
And that's how it started.
And the thing about pre-loved clothes is, see, Zahra Azam posted it. I bought a dress from her, so it's not a shameful thing for me. Okay, इसने पहना है, मैं इसके कपड़े क्यों पहनूं? It's not that kind. ये concept change करना है, because I wear my sister's clothes, and
same.
we're all like sisters. So why not I wear her clothes? And then I was like, oh my God, this is such an amazing idea. I have so many clothes collecting dust, and they're expensive. And why not I sell it at a reasonable rate so that another sister can benefit from it?
अच्छा है कि कोई और use कर ले.
At a very cheaper price, you can get those clothes, and maybe you can benefit from it. Why not? If you go to a designer, इतनी सी कोई चीज लगी होगी, and then they're gonna sell it for 50,000. So that's too much, right?
I agree.
So if I have the same clothes that I don't fancy anymore, that I don't wear anymore, and they're just collecting dust, and I'm just like, okay, this was expensive, I don't want to give it away. So okay, it was expensive, and I don't want to give it away. Okay, maybe I can give it away at a price,
Yes,
and maybe get something out of it instead of it just lying there. So that was the concept behind it, and Zahra Azam did it, and now I see so many other people doing it, and I love it. Let's share. Let's share our
I
clothes.
absolutely love the concept.
Yeah.
So Ramela and Sidra, let's talk about art, because you both are artists, and you both, I think, paint as well. You used to paint, right? And you paint as well.
I'm in abstract.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So what does art basically mean to you? What's art to you? Because you said you've been an artist by heart.
Yeah, it's art is basically expression for me.
Okay.
Colors and expressions. I just me and Ramela, when we were deciding to come up here, she was saying, what do you want to wear? And I was like, something colorful, and she was like, I want to go with pastels. And I was like, see, we are two. It's the same expressions. Even we are expressing ourselves through our dressing. So for me, I'm a very expressive person, and it always whenever I am feeling low, or I just want to express myself through something. I'm not a writer, I'm not a reader, I'm that sort of person who would like to paint, and I paint in abstract, and I play with colors through makeup, and that's how the journey started.
And what are those few colors that really attract you?
All right, these basic rainbow colors are like my literal favorite. Yeah.
Yellow is her favorite, actually. We went shopping yesterday, and she was like,
The mustard?
Yellow.
It's my favorite these days. I don't know.
Yeah, it looks
I
really
remember
good.
a couple of years ago, बिल्कुल भी yellow का इतना concept नहीं था, या मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद था. मुझे वो yellow कपड़े देख के मैं कहती थी क्या है. But now I don't know. I really enjoy wearing yellow. It's just this color of energy and freshness.
It's a happy color. It makes you happy.
It makes you so happy. So it's been like a year or more that every summer my wardrobe is full of yellows.
Yeah.
So everything's yellow.
I used to wear black all the time, and then I wanted to, I was like, I need to express my personality. You see, for women like us who are working in different departments and who are working, and we need to dress in a certain way. So all of us working women, what we does is that we stick to black or either dark
Whites.
colors, whites or blacks. And
Exactly.
when I literally say that when I got matured in my personality, and when I was confident of it, I was like, I'm not this. I am a colorful person. I want to express it.
Yes.
So I started dressing differently, and my wardrobe is now a really colorful wardrobe.
And it's lovely. It's about gaining confidence in what you
Yeah.
wear.
Yeah.
And what you, because at times we like a certain color, but we're not confident about it. कि अच्छा वो हम पे सूट करेगा या नहीं,
Yeah.
लोग क्या कहेंगे कि ये किस
Exactly.
किस्म का कलर पहन लिया है. But I think it is maturity when you grow up to a fact and you understand कि अच्छा अब आप मतलब you don't really care what
Yeah.
people are gonna think. You feel
it's
good
just
about
being comfortable in your skin. We're, as a nation, very insecure.
I know.
Yeah, so it's you grow a certain age and you realize that, okay, people's opinion matter, but not as much as my happiness. So
Yes.
why not I do something
That's such a
that
strong
I'm
point.
comfortable,
Such an important
you know, with,
Yeah.
and why not I put myself out there and, you know, let them talk. It's okay.
So what colors do you prefer wearing?
I don't know. I prefer nudes. I don't know. I think it's that's the thing. I was a colorful person before. I used to wear very colorful colors, like neons and
Okay.
whatnot. And now, as I've grown, just like her, she's become colorful. I've become very nudie, kind
Yeah,
of.
okay, it changes. It changes
for
with your-
people. I just
yes.
feel like, you know, I feel like I should act my age, and what suits my age right now, I'm 24, so what suits my age right now I think is more like sophisticated colors, like you know, like browns and whites and like pastels and that kind of thing. So I'm more into that. Maybe it changes, my preferences changes with time.
Yeah.
Not sure,
It
but
also
for now,
depends
yeah.
on the region you're in. So ये बहुत ही मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग लगा कि यहाँ पाकिस्तान में हम जब देखते हैं कि when you know, जब आप वक्त के साथ बूढ़े होते जाते हो, बड़े होते जाते हो, let's say you're in your 70s or 80s, so you start wearing very dull colors. तो आप
Yeah.
बहुत ही वो dull prints और बहुत ही सादे और simple तरीके से रहना. But when I went to the US or when you're abroad, you're going to
Yeah.
see that they wait to get old because that's when they start wearing very colorful clothes. So
Yeah.
over there, when you see someone who are in their 70s or 80s or even more, तो वो लोग इतने bright कपड़ों में होते हैं. They are so dressed up. They
Yeah.
wear their reds, the yellows, the anything, the shocking pink, and
Yeah.
they wear a lot of accessories. So it's
so
like-
nice to
I
see.
know, it's so nice to see that. And when I saw that, जब मैं वहाँ वापस आई पाकिस्तान, तो मैंने यही कहा अपनी अम्मी को, मैं कही थी, मैंने कहा हम लोग क्यों इतने जल्दी
We age.
अपने आप को
Yeah.
Yeah,
why do we
it's
define
yeah.
it exactly?
Yeah.
हम अपने आप को बहुत जल्दी कि बस अब हम आंटी
I
हो
guess
गए.
that's what's happening with me, because you know, like I'm a doctor, right? So if I have to work, I don't want to look intimidating. You know, if a patient comes up to me, I want them to be able to talk to me.
Yeah.
So I don't want to
exactly.
wear like too
Right.
bright of a color. They're like, oh my God, like she's dressed a certain way. Should I even talk to her? No, I want to wear very neutral colors so that they can, you know,
Exactly.
they can approach
So
me.
again,
yeah.
it depends on the profession as well.
Exactly.
And it's such a good mindset of yours. I mean, वो
Yeah.
अलग है कि आपके thought process
Yeah.
किस तरह का है.
Yeah, and then again, like I run a blog. If I want to be vibrant, I can be vibrant.
Yeah, exactly. I've seen
Yeah.
you being very vibrant for
Yeah.
that, and it's so lovely.
Yeah.
So it's good to know that we're flexible with, you know,
Yeah.
according to what we're
The
doing.
needs.
The needs.
Yeah.
But
According
like
to the needs.
these days in Peshawar and Pakistan especially, every sort of colors and every sort of personalities are welcomed. Like especially in 2020 and 2021, in these years, people are welcoming like a lot of like, even I see guys doing makeups like publicly,
Exactly.
you know, makeup artists, and which is so you know, inspiring to see, because I want people. Like we
They're getting
all-
educated.
yeah,
यही बात है कि-
educated, and at the same time, why do we restrict people to certain things?
Yeah.
Like, let them
Why
do
can't we
whatever-
just accept them for who they are?
who
right?
they are,
Yeah.
right? So
Exactly.
even if it's pastel colors or nudes
Yeah.
or or from
Whatever you
Exactly.
like,
As
just
long
do
as
it.
you're happy, just do
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Exactly. So coming back to art, हम art की बात कर रहे थे और जिस तरह कि आपने कहा आप abstract painting की तरफ mostly है, तो what about you? आपने भी painting की.
Yeah. So my paint, I'm very, you know, like I'm not as developed in painting as I would like to be, but I practice. And my paint is mostly what I see, what I like. I try to remake it. That's
Okay.
my process. You
So
know,
if you like a view,
recreate
or-
it.
Okay.
No, like see, if I see a painting online and I really like it, I'm like, okay, I can do that. Maybe I can recreate that. So it's like I get inspired from something and I want to recreate it. I do that, and if it turns out well, I share it. If it doesn't, I still share it because you know, it's my work. It's my baby. I want to show it off. So yeah, that's my painting thing, and
Do you still do it?
yeah, I still do it sometimes. And now, you know, since like I told you, the world is becoming very digital. Now I have an iPad and I draw on my iPad. I'm trying to learn how
Digital
to
art?
draw. Yeah, digital art, and that's what I'm, because like I said, the world is changing. Everything is becoming digital.
It's evolving. Yes,
Yeah,
there's new things
and
coming
there's
up.
this app called Procreate. So I'm trying to, learn the nooks and crannies of Procreate and how to draw digitally and how to draw people or sceneries or, anything. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right
And
now.
what about the writer in you that you
the
mentioned?
writer in
Yeah.
me? The writer in me is long dead, medical ate it up.
Really?
I used to write back when I was in my FSC,
Okay.
and I used to write poems and like stuff like that.
wow.
And then I got into MBBS, and I was just like, oh my God, this is so overwhelming, and I should concentrate on this and sideline my writing for a bit. So yeah, that's come to a halt right now. But yeah, sometimes
I'm going through a writer's block too recently. So
Yeah.
it's more like, because I'm a content creator too. So at
Yeah.
times, but for me it was more like anything that I come up with. So it's not like I have
Yeah.
to think
yeah.
first to write something. It's like
Yeah.
it just naturally comes to my mind, and then I
Yeah.
would write it, and then I would post it. But it's
Yeah.
been, I think, weeks that I haven't written anything. But,
Yeah.
and I don't know, it's just not coming to me. It just comes
And I
to
think
you.
nowadays we're just like as bloggers, I think we are enjoying our writing through captions. So that's our new writing. Okay, I feel this way about this photo, so let me write it down and let the people read it and see if they like it or not, and if they
Exactly.
agree with me. So
Exactly,
that's our writer has also become digital now.
That's,
through captions,
that is
yeah.
so true. So social media has been very powerful, and we all know that.
Yeah.
But what about those people? We बहुत सारे youngsters होते हैं जो कि social media को properly utilize नहीं कर रहे. So if you know about the power of it, there's so much you can do.
Yeah.
आपने YouTube पे भी videos डाली हुई हैं. आपको पता है कि वो भी people are turning YouTube into a career.
Yeah.
So you can earn from it. You can learn so much through it.
Yeah.
You can post about any skill or talent that you have. So did you ever think of starting a YouTube channel?
Of course I did. So I'm still thinking about it actually. So what I'm thinking about is that, you see, as a medical student, I learned most of everything from YouTube. Because, you go to college, you are mostly so occupied with your friends and, everything that you don't concentrate in your class. And then you come home
Exactly.
and you're self-learning. You're teaching yourself from your books and from YouTube videos and all of that. And then I was like, I can teach. Like when I'm usually in study groups, I'm the one, ye isme aise hota hai, isme aise hota hai, isme
Oh,
aise hota hai.
wow.
So I was like, why not I start a YouTube
Okay.
channel in the future where I teach my, my juniors or, people that might want to learn a thing or two about, let's say, malaria. Why don't I teach, start a
wow.
teaching YouTube
You should
channel?
definitely consider doing that.
Yeah, I
It's so
do.
lovely.
And then if I become when I become a proper doctor, maybe I can teach about, career building or anything that I'm into at that point of time. If I'm an aesthetic,
Perfect.
in
I'll subscribe your
aesthetics,
YouTube channel then.
please do.
तो आप दोनों से बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा. हम चलते हैं हमारे आखिरी सेगमेंट की तरफ जो कि है रैपिड फायर. So my first question to you both is, name your favorite fashion brand.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, let me think. I think
be
over
any
here, ethnic.
Ethnic?
I'm wearing ethnic right now.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely.
Zara Shah Jahan.
Zara Shah Jahan. Great choices. What is your biggest fear?
Fire.
Fire.
Yeah, I'm very scared of and lizards.
All right. To sit idle, do nothing.
Deep. Name one social issue you would like to work on.
I would like to work on and with transgenders because they're the outcasts, and I would like to, not make sure that they feel like they belong.
Lovely.
Creating technicians.
Okay, great. Name 3 countries you want to travel to and why.
Okay, so one, Canada. I'm married and my husband lives there. So I haven't been there, so I would want to go there.
Okay.
And one, America. I want to see the hype about it. And Russia, I want to see the hype about it.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. I want to travel to Paris,
Wow.
mainly like Europe, and then Canada to meet Romella. And then we would travel to US together.
Oh wow, perfect. What is your favorite TV show?
Friends.
Friends.
Yeah.
It's like coincidentally, it's the same for me.
Same, I think it's the same. It's the same for so many people.
So
Yeah.
many people.
I guess
And we
I'm the
can
only
relate.
one who haven't.
Yeah.
I know everyone says that. Okay. Top 3 skills that you believe everyone should have.
Cooking, you should be able to cook for yourself. And driving, it's really important. And what else? Anything.
Communication?
Yeah,
maybe?
communication, yeah.
Yeah, top 3 skills for me is good manager for
Okay,
to do
management skills,
yeah, good
okay.
management skills, and at the same time probably good communicator, yeah.
Okay.
And yeah. And then another skill I would say
Maybe team building, could be anything.
it could
Yeah.
it could be create like
Creativity.
have the ability to learn something, you know, like
Yeah.
and people, this is a skill to sit there and to be able to
grasp
think that yeah I can
and to become a good learner.
yeah.
Okay, thank you for these wonderful answers. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप दोनों से बात करके. Thank you for
Same.
your time. It was lovely having both of you on the show. I hope आप सब ने भी एपिसोड एंजॉय किया होगा. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा और फीडबैक ज़रूर दीजिएगा. मुलाकात होगी अगले हफ्ते. खुदा हाफिज़.